Yo, what's up guys, it's JoshF Gaming. This time I'm going to be playing some draft battles with my friend Cook Tim. You remember Cook Tim from last video? Yeah, he's back. We're going to be playing some playing some draft. I'm going to tell him it's draft, not touchdown. Okay, let's put up the first one. Okay. Oh, okay, yay. Okay. Gonna go Pika. Witch, because that's gonna kill the giant. Better. Not lightning arrows. Inferno Dragon, because that kills the giant. And I guess it's also lightning bait? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Now he gave us Ice Spirit, Guards, Bats, stuff like that. Yeah, that's good. Guards prediction. Oh, too late. But then he has a bush to take care of, which won't be easy. Ooh. Val-U-E. Now everything has the same hit points. About practically none. Yay! Everything died, so that's good. Let's place some guards in front of that. Defensive miner. Oh, wow. Darn it, he placed something in front of it. Yes, targeted the bomber. Okay. Hog Rider. Go. Kill the tower, please. Alright, close enough, close enough. Guards take care of the miner. Pulls. P-L-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z. Darn it. Well played. Boom. And yeah, that died. Ooh, now he's got a Pika to take care of. Bomber. Yeah. Dude, 1 P.E.K.K.A shot. 2 P.E.K.K.A shots. Not 3 P.E.K.K.A shots, but I got 2 P.E.K.K.A shots. That's not too bad. Oops. Well played. Hog Rider. Ice Spirit. Inferno Dragon. Yeah. I don't think this is a good game yet, but I'm gonna say well played because it's probably a good game. It's probably GG's. Wow, that's pretty good. Hog Rider. Witch. Oh, darn it. Don't target that. Oh. Well, we have 3 minutes of overtime. And with our awesome skills, we're going to take down this dude, which is Cook Tim. Take care of all that stuff. Yes, he took care of all that stuff. 1 archer, 2 archer, 3 archer. Great. Get some guards down, and this is a good game. This here. No, never mind, it's not a good game. Boom. Boom. Ice Golem dead. Boom. Boom. That died. Hog Rider. 1 hog hit. Not 2 hog hits. Arrows. There. Alright, take care of those. Yep. Alright, that's good. Then bats, ice spirit. Darn it. Hog rider. That lava hound's practically useless. Ooh, epic fight by Aaron and David. Okay, yeah, so we won. Yeah, so that's good. Draft battle, let's go. Expo, totally expo. We're gonna take the tornado, because we can. I think the ice golem to pull the P.E.K.K.A. and goblin gang to kill the P.E.K.K.A. too. Hit. Okay, we're gonna go miner, dart goblin, archers. Yes, kill all that stuff pulls. It did. Yay. Let's zap that. Yeah, okay. What was that, a cannon? Oops. Yes. I'm sorry, man. That was oops. Okay, that's good. That's good. Don't get any hits on the tower wizard. Bad wizard. Bad wizard. You get no screen time. Tornado. No king tower activation, but that's okay. I don't know what that ice golem was. I just wanted to get something down. You know? Sometimes you just don't have time to question what to put down. You just put something down. That was one of those times. Clearly we're going to have to take him down by chip damage and not, I don't know, beat down. I don't know what to call it. There's a log. And there goes a dart goblin. And he's forced to play a wizard. So that's good. We're getting dead damage. Oh, there's the P.E.K.K.A. No, I played my expo off. Darn it. Oops. That's a good game. We can try one more desperate miner push. Nope. Stupid dart goblin. Good game. Good game. Good game again. Good game for good measure. Okay. Let's do one more. One more. Alright. Let's go. Totally 3 muskies. That's like my ultimate favorite card. Fire spirits. Dark Prince. And the Valkyrie. Alright, let's go. Oh, we got giant and balloon. That's good. Now Valkyrie's gonna kill all that stuff. Good Valkyrie. Alright. Alright, that's good, that's good. Got the stuff deaded. Boom, boom, boom. These girls have such a high DPS. I love them. I love it. I like what I'm seeing. I purposely played my fireball off. Sometimes I feel like the giant splits into giantites. Even though it doesn't. Even though that's a silly thing to think about. Still. Yep. Giant tank that. Tank everything. While the balloon goes kablooey. Kablooey times 2. Fireball everything. That's good. Three Musketeers take care of all that stuff. Trust me, it can. Boom! See? Told ya. Yeah, good game. GG's. Good luck. So yeah, that's gonna end it. Hopefully you learned something new about draft 2L. I don't get it. I don't get it. Zell 2L. Yeah, and that's gonna wrap it up for today. I'm probably gonna be doing some more draft later tonight. Yes, Exactless/5. Yeah, Exactless is just a joke. It's like Exactless is like a joke we thought up at school. It's supposed to mean like exactly for something that's silly. So it's Exactless. And yeah. Nah, that's it for the video today. I'm probably gonna be doing the same thing later tonight with Mega Master. Yeah, this is Mega Master. He has a good deck, but I can't copy it because I only have level 4 Rascals. And it's not good with level 4 Rascals, trust me. Trust me! Okay. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, goodbye from JoshF Gaming.